This is a quick look at data merging in digital signage. So sometimes you'll have several stages or locations and you will have fewer displays, and you'll want to merge content from several locations onto one display. So in this example, I've got 7 locations and I want to put them onto 3 displays. So here I've got my digital signage that I'm going to use for the example. And by default, when you configure digital signage, it will create one display for each stage. So if we click on the already published link for this, we can see we've got one display for each of my stages. But we want to merge some of these into each other because we've only got 3 displays. So if we go back to our configuration and scroll down to data merging and then merge locations. So what I want to do is I want to have one sign outside of my main stage, and I want that to also contain the content from the innovation zone and the marketing theatre. So under innovation zone, it's asking me merge this content into where, and I'm going to choose the main stage. And also for my marketing theatre, I want to put this content into the signage for my main stage. And I leave the main stage as it is because by default, that has already got its own content published to its own display. So now I've got innovation zone, marketing theatre, and main stage all going onto the main stage's display. I want to put policy and practice and trend zone together. I'm just going to go to merge here and merge that into the trend zone. And then I want to have Tech Theatre and Tech Seed Ventures stage together. So I'm going to just merge Tech Seed Ventures into the Tech Theatre. Now I'm going to save that configuration. Now remember that previously we had these 7 different displays set up. If I go here and now publish my new configuration, it will merge all that content onto just 3 displays now. So if we go here again, it's actually showing me a cached version. So if I refresh that, I've now got just those 3 displays. If I click on the main stage, I can see I've got content from the main stage, as well as the innovation zone and marketing theatre. Likewise, if I go back to my tech theatre, I should see, content from both the Tech Seed Venture stage and the tech theatre there. And just for completeness, the trend zone should have trend zone and policy and practice sessions. So there you go. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have further questions, feel free to reach out to support.